The sun shines softly through the curtain. Nina wakes up and rubs her sleepy eyes. Her little bunny sits beside her on the couch. It's a brand new morning full of cozy light. On the table, a shiny box sparkles in the sunlight. It has stars, leaves, and a golden ribbon on top. Nina tiptoes closer, her eyes wide with wonder. "What's inside this pretty box?" she said. Mama kneels beside her with a gentle smile. Papa leans closer, watching Nina's curious face. Nina points at the box and asks, "What is it?" Mama and Papa share a quite happy smile. They know something special about the box. Nina waits eagerly, bouncing a little on her toes. "It's a secret," Mama says, smiling. Nina's father opens the lid slowly and carefully. The box glows with soft golden light. Nina's eyes went wide with surprise. Nina gasped, "It's shining, even though it's empty. Is it magic?" she asked in awe. Nina looks around the room. Her toys, her family, everything suddenly feels like a treasure. Nina sits cross-legged, thinking very hard. Maybe it's Santa's box or fairy treasure, she says. Mama and Papa laugh softly at her cute guesses. Her imagination sparkles all around her. Mama bends beside her and holds her shoulder. "It's not wand magic," she said with a smile. "It's the magic that lives inside our hearts." Nina tilts her head, trying to feel it. Papa puts his hand over his heart gently. "This box helps us remember what we already have," he says. Mama points out the window. "See the sunshine, the trees, the birds," she says. "These are gifts from nature every single day." Nina presses her little hand against the glass. Nina picks up her crayon and a tiny paper. She writes slowly. "I'm thankful for my doll." Mama writes thankful for sunshine. Papa writes thankful for laughter. Nina folds her paper and drops it into the box. It glows softly, as if smiling back. Mama and Papa add their notes too. The room fills with quiet golden light. The sun begins to set outside the window. The family sits together on the couch, cozy and calm. Nina touches the box with her small fingers. Her eyes shine softly in the evening light. Nina hugs Mama and Papa tightly. All three close their eyes and smile. "Thanksgiving means saying thank you," she said. Mama and Papa smile. Their hearts feel full. The moon shines through the quiet window. "Thank you, world," Nina whispers before bedtime. Thank you for watching.